Stop saying.
We need to make a new plan.
Start saying.
We need to formulate a new strategy.
Stop saying.
I will tell him about the issue.
Start saying.
I will brief him on the situation.
Stop saying.
Let's look at the details.
Start saying.
Let's analyze the specifics.
Stop saying.
We are going to start the project.
Start saying.
We are going to initiate the project.
Stop saying.
I help my team reach goals.
Start saying.
I facilitate my team's objective achievement.
Stop saying, we should talk about the terms. Start saying, we must negotiate the terms. Stop saying, I will use all available tools. Start saying, I will leverage all available resources. Stop saying, we have to change the plan. Start saying, we need to pivot our strategy. Stop saying, this is a hard problem to fix. Start saying, this is a complex issue to resolve. Stop saying, this will show everyone we are good. Start saying, this will demonstrate our market position.
Stop saying, I agree with you. Start saying, I concur with your assessment. Stop saying, let me tell you why. Start saying, let me articulate the reasoning. Stop saying, I will get back to you. Start saying, I will revert to you shortly. Stop saying, I can get them to do it. Start saying, I can sway the decision. Stop saying, we need to fight this. Start saying, we must address this challenge. Stop saying, I see a trend here. Start saying, I perceive a market shift. Stop saying, I think it will grow. Start saying, I anticipate exponential growth. Stop saying, we don't know yet. Start saying, the situation remains ambiguous. Stop saying, this is a good chance. Start saying, this is a lucrative opportunity. Stop saying, do this fast. Start saying, execute with expedition.
Stop saying, let me show you the point. Start saying, let me elucidate the data. Stop saying, we have to decide on a plan. Start saying, we must finalize the trajectory. Stop saying, I have enough money for this. Start saying, I have the necessary capital. Stop saying, let's make the team bigger. Start saying, let's expand our operational capacity. Stop saying, I need to think about it. Start saying, I need to deliberate on the proposal. If you're serious about your career, subscribe for daily executive upgrades here at Global English University.